Ever wondered why some businesses seem to effortlessly attract customers, while others struggle to get their message across? The secret lies in the art and science of marketing. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Today, we're going to explore a specific marketing strategy that has been proven to yield significant results. It's called content marketing. The beauty of content marketing lies in its simplicity. It's about creating valuable content that resonates with your target audience, leading to brand loyalty and ultimately increased sales. We start at the beginning, understanding your audience. Without a clear understanding of who you're speaking to, your message will fall on deaf ears. So the first step is to conduct thorough market research. Identify your target audience's needs, desires, and pain points. This will form the basis of your content strategy. Once you have a clear understanding of who your audience is, the next step is to create content that caters to their needs. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or even infographics. The key here is to ensure that your content is engaging, informative, and adds value to the audience. Now, creating content is only half the battle. The next step is to promote your content. This is where social media comes into play. Share your content on platforms where your target audience is most active. This could be Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. But remember, promotion isn't just about sharing a link and hoping for the best. It's about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, start discussions, and be present. This not only helps to spread your content, but also builds a relationship with your audience. The final step in the content marketing strategy is to measure your results. This is done through analytics. Track metrics like page views, shares, and engagement levels. This will give you a clear picture of what's working and what's not, allowing you to fine-tune your strategy for better results. So, to recap, content marketing is a powerful tool that can help businesses attract and retain customers. It starts with understanding your audience, followed by creating and promoting valuable content, and ends with measuring your results to refine your strategy. And that's a wrap on content marketing. It may seem daunting at first, but with a bit of practice, it can transform your marketing strategy and give your business the edge it needs to stand out in today's competitive market. Remember, marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works for your business and your audience. So don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and adapt. After all, the best marketing strategy is one that resonates with your audience and delivers results. Until next time, keep creating, keep engaging, and keep measuring. Your marketing journey is just beginning.